In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide your way through using Google and Facebook, specifically focusing on setting up a Facebook ad campaign via the marketplace. If you've ever wanted to leverage Facebook's robust advertising platform to reach a wider audience, this might just be the perfect start. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search field, type in Facebook Marketplace and hit enter. This will bring up a host of links, but the one you're looking for is the direct link to Facebook Marketplace. Click on it, and this will take you straight to the Facebook environment. It's always a good idea to navigate through Google if you're unsure about the exact URL, as this ensures you're accessing the most recent and secure site versions. Once you're in the Facebook Marketplace, you'll want to focus on the highlighted sections. This typically appears as prominently featured or highlighted links or buttons designed to draw your attention. Clicking on these allows you to navigate through essential functions within the marketplace quickly. After accessing the highlighted sections, navigate your way to the ad account settings. This is where you'll set up and manage all of your advertisements. It might be a bit overwhelming initially, but remember, this section is essentially your control panel. It's important to familiarize yourself with the layout and the available tools here, as they are vital for creating successful ad campaigns. Next, you'll want to click on the highlighted sections within the ad account settings. Doing this will help you proceed smoothly to different pivotal areas necessary for launching an ad. Think of these highlights as your guideposts leading you through the pathway of ad creation. Once you're set up in your account settings, look for the Create Ad button. Clicking on this will initiate the process of crafting your first ad. This button is the gateway to building exposure and potential customer interest in your products or services. After clicking Create Ad, the next vital step is selecting your ad campaign objective. Here, we'll be focusing on awareness. Selecting awareness helps your ad reach a larger audience and introduces new potential customers to your brand or product. This is particularly useful for businesses that want to increase brand visibility rather than strictly aim for immediate sales conversions. With your awareness campaign objective set, it's time to finalize your setup by clicking on the Continue button. This will lead you into the setup pages where you can customize and tweak your ad. Here, you'll be able to input all your creative elements, targeting parameters, and budget settings. It's the final stretch before your ad goes live, and there you have it, your step-by-step guide to navigating Google and Facebook for creating a Facebook ad campaign through the marketplace. With consistent practice and a keen focus on the details, you can build impactful ad campaigns that reach your desired audience effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising.